can someone become a home buyer even if they've had bad credit in the past or not much money to put down on a loan? A lot of home buyers are wondering if their credit score is good enough. So can you tell us a little bit about the impact of somebody's credit score as well?
That's a great question. People's credit, it seems to be that's the biggest issue when I first speak to anybody. Because a lot of people, it's almost like opening up the trunk of your car.
Right.
You don't know what's in there, you haven't looked in there in a while, and you're afraid of what you might find sometimes.
That's right.
And I think credit, a lot of people feel that way about their credit, because a lot of people feel their credit is good, they know they've made their payments on time, but that doesn't necessarily translate into a high credit score. Right. Oftentimes people go on free credit websites, they obtain their credit scores. These scores are not, I repeat, not accurate by any means.
Okay.
The scores you get off of these free websites are your consumer credit scores. A lot of people are shocked to find out that they have over 40 different types of credit scores, whether they're getting a department store credit card, financing a dental implant,
right.
Whether they're going to work for the Department of Defense and getting security clearance, or they're buying a car or securing a mortgage. They're all different types of risk factors inside their scores. So when we begin the process with this, we want to make sure that people understand where their scores are, and also to give them some direction on minor corrections that they might be able to do to improve their scores.
Okay.
People with lower than average scores, sometimes there's a possibility by paying off debt, getting incorrect information removed from their credit, they have the possibility of improving their scores greatly. We had a situation in our office where someone had an incorrect entry on their credit report, and we don't do credit repair, but we have a vehicle through our system called a rapid rescore. So if our customer comes in and they have documentation that something's incorrect, we can actually help them save 4 to 6 months off of trying to go the normal route through the bureaus and work through our system and do this rapid rescore. We just recently helped one of our clients increase their credit score over 110 points.
Wow.
So it actually, yeah, they were a jumbo home buyer, and it actually, their loan was not possible and suddenly became possible. And it's one of the best parts about what I get to do every day is help people with these kinds of things,
Good.
But it's important, whoever you are, that no matter how good you think your credit is, that you have a mortgage professional analyze your credit for you and obtain your mortgage credit scores if you're looking at purchasing a home. It's super critical.
All right, well, we're going to wrap it up, but I hope you found some value in today's interview with Ted Kohn. If you're a buyer and you're not working with a lender right now, I'll have Ted's info down here. You can reach out to him anytime, is that right?
Absolutely, always here.
Okay, all right, thanks everyone.